Take a look at this channel. Over 300,000 followers. Surprised? Wondering how they pulled it off? Don't stress, I've got you covered. Well, maybe not, because I need some help too. Just kidding. Before diving into how they create these viral videos, let's see when this channel started. It was created on June 6th, 2023. With only 87 videos, they've already gained over 390,000 subscribers. Impressive, right? Now let's talk money. This creator is estimated to make between 8.4K and 134.7K annually. Not bad at all. Oh, and most of their popular videos have racked up over 3 million views. That's the kind of success we're all aiming for. Viral cartoon animations inspired by popular characters like SpongeBob or Tom and Jerry. Then, craft unique stories featuring these beloved characters. In this video, we'll learn how to create similar videos using AI-generated images. If you'd like me to show you how to create videos exactly like this, let me know in the comments which cartoon you'd like to see, and I'll make a tutorial as soon as possible. Before we dive in, don't forget to join our free Telegram group. Plus, I've officially started a new VIP channel to help creators in the movie recap niche. If you're interested in joining, just send me a private message. My name is Slamu, and you'll find me in the community. Now, let's see what we'll create today.
The gang is called to investigate a haunted ice cream truck that plays eerie music at night and reportedly serves ghostly ice cream. As they explore the spooky truck, they find sticky glowing footprints and a magical melting cone that reforms itself. Suddenly, a glowing ice cream-shaped ghost appears, leading to a chaotic chase.
The first step is to head over to ChatGPT and input a prompt asking for suggestions for the most famous cartoon animations to use. You can choose any cartoon you like. If you don't know the name of a cartoon but recognize it, you can also search for images to identify it. For this tutorial, I'll use the Scooby-Doo cartoon as an example. You can replace Scooby-Doo with any other cartoon name in the prompts. Once you have your chosen cartoon, copy the updated prompt and send it to ChatGPT again. Next, ChatGPT will provide all the necessary details. From there, ask it to summarize the story into one concise paragraph. Copy this paragraph and head over to 11 Labs AI to convert it into a realistic voiceover. Choose the voice you think suits the story best, paste the paragraph, click Generate, and then download the audio. Now you're ready to move on to the next steps. Now let's move to Leonardo AI. Click on Generate Images, select the Phoenix 1 model, and adjust the image dimensions to 16 by 9. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompts you prepared, and paste them into Leonardo AI to generate the images. To save time, generate all the images you need at once. Once the images are ready, download the best ones. After that, head over to YouTube and search for a TV green screen. Choose a video that fits your needs and download it. Next, visit Pixabay to find the perfect background music for your video. Make sure to check the copyright information to ensure the music is free to use without any issues. Select and download a track that complements your video's theme. With all the assets ready, you're good to proceed to the next step. After that, open CapCut and import all the assets you've downloaded: images, videos, voiceovers, etc. The first step is to add the voiceover of the script. Then, start adding the images one by one according to the script. Ideally, each image should be displayed for about 3 to 4 seconds to maintain a good pace. Once the images are in place, check the aspect ratio of the video and select 16:9. After that, go back to each image and zoom in slightly to fill the screen with the image. Next, go to the Animation tab and select the Combo animation. You can choose any animation, but I personally prefer using Zoom 1 for the first image and Bounce for the second one. Apply these animations to all images using the same process. Once all the animations are set, head to the transition feature. Choose the most fitting transitions for each scene. I usually go with pull-in, whoosh, mix, inhale, and curling wave. Make sure to place the transitions thoughtfully. Don't use them randomly. Each transition should enhance the flow of the video and provide a better viewing experience. After these steps, your video will be ready for the final touches. Next, move to the effects option. The first effect we'll use is the vignette effect. Set the opacity to 50% and adjust the length as needed. Apply this effect to all images to create a consistent look. After that, go to the TV colored lines effect. Adjust the details and set the length, similar to the vignette effect. Make sure to fine-tune it to suit the style of your video. Next, apply the luminance effect. Follow the same process as with the other two effects. Adjust the settings and apply it to all images. With these effects added, your video will have a polished, professional touch. For the next step, go to the audio feature and search for the whoosh sound effect. Add this sound effect to the places where you have transitions, but be sure to reduce the volume slightly so it doesn't overwhelm the viewer. You can use the copy-paste method to quickly place it where needed. Once this is done, export the video. Then, open a new project, add the exported video, and place the green screen footage on top. Cut the intro part of the green screen video as shown in the tutorial. Adjust the placement of the green screen video and reduce the voice on the green screen clip. Next, add the same video you've just edited. Now, add the first keyframe for the TV screen effect. After 2 seconds, add the second keyframe and zoom in the video as you see in the example. Then, go ahead and remove the green screen. For the glitch effect, go to the Effects tab and apply it to the intro section as shown in the tutorial. Add the glitch sound effect from the audio options. Next, place the whoosh sound effect where the zoom transition happens. Now, add the background music you've selected. I'll add a spooky one for the first part, followed by a second one. For both tracks, make sure to apply fade in and fade out effects to make the transition smooth. After that, go to the text option. Choose your video language. I'll stick with English, and click Create. Wait for the captions to appear. Then, change the template for the captions, adjust the font style, and add a glow effect to the text for better visibility. For the subtitles to show properly, apply the movie effect to the video. Remove the first caption as shown in the tutorial, and now you can see the final result. Thanks everyone, love you all, and bye for now. Bye.
The gang is called to investigate a haunted ice cream truck that plays eerie music at night and reportedly serves ghostly ice cream. As they explore the spooky truck, they find sticky glowing footprints and a magical melting cone that reforms itself. Suddenly, a glowing ice cream-shaped ghost appears, leading to a chaotic chase full of slippery banana splits and comical traps. In the end, they capture the ghost in a giant waffle cone and unmask it as a rival dessert shop owner trying to sabotage the truck's business. The gang celebrates with free ice cream, but their talking pet hilariously overeats and starts hiccuping giant scoops.